The result of honoring God will lead into a victorious life. And when we experience, the tangible presence of God, His power and favor is continually working sa ating mga buhay. We need to honor God because when we fail to honor God, we are missing His glory and His power working in our lives. That's the reason why do we need to honor God. Alam mo kapatid, pag hindi mo ino-honor si Lord, ang daming nawawala sa iyo. Come on. Kapag hindi mo na-honor si Lord, ang dami mong nami-miss out sa buhay. And when you fail to honor God, you will even end up living in this earth or in this world without fulfilling your purpose.